So today at the recycled sunflower farm, we are digging out the old chicken coop. It's all dirty. Gotta get some of this top layer of gunk out and shirt up some of the holes in the fencing. So we gotta get this cleaned out for our chickens and our roosters. Yep, that's what we're doing today. Did some fencing over there yesterday and a long-term compost. Got some good dirt that's gonna go in some raised beds. And we're gonna keep fixing that fence line and clearing it all out. So that's what we're doing today here at the homestead. And my chickens are in the brush because we're over here. God bless.